What's up, you guys? It's my camera Marie back at it with another video, and today we are cooking string beans, rice, and fried chicken. Okay, so y'all, I just chopped up an onion, a whole onion. I just threw it in the pot. Yeah, I use. It doesn't matter which onion. You can use any onion you like. And right now, I have a stick of margarine. You can use any butter you like as well. I put 2 sticks in there because I have 6 cans. And also I cut up my sausage. I only eat beef sausage, y'all. This sausage is so good to me. I usually put a whole pack in there, maybe a pack and a half, or maybe 2 packs. It just depends on how much you want to put in there. So right now I have my onion going, my butter going, and my sausage in there. So right now we just, sauteing it up, letting it cook down, and also make sure you stir it too, so your sausage do not stick to the pot. I'm sorry, if you don't have a non-stick pot. So right now we just mixing all them seasons together. That butter, ooh, y'all, it smells good, tastes good. All right, so now I'm starting to cook my rice. You guys, I do not measure how much water I put in there, nor rice. I would say this is at least 6 cups, maybe, y'all. I'm not sure, but it really just matters how much rice you put in your water. So if this is 6 cups, I suggest putting in like what, 4 cups of rice. Yeah. So if this is 6 cups, put like 4 cups. So right now I have my rice boiling, getting that to a boil. And make sure you want to stir your rice up. There you go. Stir it up so it does not stick to the pots if you do not have a non-stick pan. And just mix it anyway, just because, you don't want to just stay in one place. So we're going to get that good stir. And right now, I just put my string beans in there. I have 6 cans, you guys. 6 cans. And also, don't forget to add your pepper, your salt and pepper, okay? And we have our rice going, stirring it up. It's been on the stove for maybe, I'd say at least 5 minutes. I just went back to go check on it so I can stir it so it won't stick. So just look at your rice. Make sure you give it a nice little stir so it doesn't stick. And also, I like to go back to adding your salt and pepper. I do not measure that as well. I just say maybe 2 teaspoons of both. Yeah, so it don't be too salty. And so when your rice start to look like this after cooking maybe 10 to 15 minutes, I suggest you stir it, obviously, but also taste it. It's to see if it's edible. So you want it to look like that. That's how it should be looking, because that means it's almost finished. So if you taste it and it's still hard, let it cook at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now the rice is done. You see how it's looking gummy and like the water is almost done? Taste it again and see if it's soft. If it's soft, turn the fire off, run that hot water, put your strainer in the sink, and put your rice in that strainer, let the hot water go, and baby, you are finished with your rice. Look at it. Perfect. And also, I'm using jasmine rice. It's so good, y'all. And also, I forgot to tell you, I chopped up my potatoes. I have at least, I did 7 potatoes. I usually put that in like midway through because the meal is so simple. All you're doing is warming it up. That's all you're doing. You just warming it up. You getting that sausage going. Those potatoes gonna look, y'all, so good each time. Y'all, this meal is so simple. I love this meal. It only takes maybe 30 minutes to cook this meal. It's straight to the point. Yeah. So this the end result of it. Looking all good and whew. And yeah, fried chicken, string beans, and rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you. And also thank you guys for tuning into this video. Please like, subscribe, comment. I would really appreciate it. Thank y'all for watching. And if you want to know anything, have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Drop below my social media, or you could just simply put it in the comments. Thank y'all. I love y'all. Peace.